গাড়ি থাকতেও বাংলাদেশে কখনো গ্যারেজে যাওয়া হয় নাই। হ্যাঁ, এটা মস্ত বড় একটা ভুল হয়েছে, কারণ এই দেশের লেবার কস্ট এত বেশি। যাদের গাড়ি আছে প্রত্যেকেই গ্যারেজে টুকিটাকি যে কাজগুলো আছে সেগুলো শিখে নিয়ে আমার কাছে মনে অনেক ভালো। কারণ ক্যানাডাতে যদি কারোর আসার প্ল্যানিং থাকে, অনেক বড় বড় রাস্তা, অনেক দূরে দূরে যেতে হয়। আল্লাহ না করুক, ঠান্ডার দেশ, যে কোনো একটা জায়গায় যদি অ্যাক্সিডেন্ট হয়ে যায় তাহলে কিন্তু একদম গেছো। সো এই কাজগুলো শিখে রাখা ভালো। আমি একটু একটু করে শিখতেছি, টুকিটাকি গাড়িতে প্রবলেম হলে সেই জিনিসগুলো চেষ্টা করে শিখে রাখার জন্য, এবং এই ভিডিওটা তৈরি করতেছি যাতে করে কীভাবে করতে হয় ইউ গাইস ক্যান বি বেনিফিটেড। It's really important, like.
Okay, well this I'm just taking the tire off.
And I can do that manually with my...
I will teach you how for sure. This is soap and water.
Soap and water, right? To see that the leak. This is the place. Oh my goodness, it's this much big.
Yep.
You're making a hole?
Yes, you have to make it bigger.
Okay. This is a gel, right?
Yes, it's to stop the leak.
Where I can find it? Amazon or?
Anywhere, Canadian Tire, Amazon, gas station,
Okay,
they all sell it. And they sell kit like this and that.
that's cool.
You twist it, pull it out,
Oh, okay.
and that's it. It expands by itself.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Oh, that's cool.
And that's it. It's good.
That's good?
You know, you just have to cut these off. You're gonna get a blade sometimes if you have a lighter.
Right.
You can just melt it off, burn it off. Over here,
Mm-hmm.
if it was to come just right here,
Right.
I could not do this.
Oh.
That means if it comes on the wall,
Right.
I cannot repair it.
Then we have
But-
to change the tire, right?
Yeah, but if you're coming from here,
Right.
you have a chance to do it like this.
Do
But
this one.
to do it on the side,
It's just like at
can't.
the very corner, right?
this is
Thank
just a
God.
little bit.
Right.
I could not. This is honestly, this is maybe two. You know.
Right.
Hopefully, inshallah, will be good.
Inshallah. Thank you, Hassan.
You're welcome.
It has to be all the. Oh no, this is the lock, right? Sorry.
Yes. Just tighten with your hand first. And when you tighten a tire, always do star pattern. It's not good to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Always go from across.
Oh.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
That way. You gotta loosen it first
Right.
and then higher it. Because when it's like this,
Okay.
it's very hard to do it when it's.
Yes, yes.
The tire will just spin with you, you know?
Right.
So
Right.
it's good to break the nuts while
Right.
the car is on the floor.
Okay.
Then you lift it up.
Right.
You got it?
I mean, when I'm gonna like open this up, or like I'm gonna lock that one.
When you want to take off the tire,
Right.
when you first want to take it off,
So I'm gonna like lift a bit.
no, break them first
Okay.
and then lift it up.
Oh, got
and then
you.
you can do it easier. you
Easier.
know?
Right.
And then
Exactly.
when you're putting the tire back on,
Right.
put it on as close as you can, like tighten it.
Right.
And then when you bring it down, then you tighten it all the way.
Okay. Got you.
You know?
Right. Okay.
And that's it.
So the tire pressure is okay now, right?
Tire pressure is good.
Okay.
Usually 33 is good.
Okay. Thank you.